Sticks and stones, baby. Sticks and stones. Hello, our tribe. Annie here. Let's make this fun little naughty and nice little Valentine's Day domino set with me. Now, I made this, I think, 2 years ago. And let me tell you, the Karens were not happy with me. But listen, it's all about being a little bit creative, right? So let's talk about some of these items. Now, these wood cutouts, I know everyone's going to ask me. They are from my best friend's little small business called Leopard Spot Designs. I'll have her tagged in the description. She has all kinds of different items that she cuts out. She does all the fun stuff. These are called confetti. So she calls them wood confetti. She has a bunch of different styles that she does, all kinds of themes. So make sure to check her out. Now, I used alcohol inks from Jacquard Products just to kind of color the little wood pieces. I found it very easy to use that little sponge tool. So I did those and I let them completely dry. Now, I put a first layer of my flag system with the medium hardener. Of course, you guys know that that's my favorite for my dominoes. And you need to let that resin cure a good amount before you add the wood items. So yes, you're gonna have a very short time to put the wood items in, but if you put it in when the resin is super wet still, what's gonna happen is the wood pieces are gonna absorb that resin and it's gonna push out all the air from inside of it, and you're gonna have a lot of air bubbles in front of your wood pieces. So that's a little trick. Now, once you put the wood pieces in, you do have to wait for it to completely cure before we add the back layer. Reason being is because resin gets hot when it cures, so when you put the back layer on, and if your first layer isn't completely cured, it's actually going to melt that down a little bit, and those wood pieces, they're going to float and move around. We don't want to do that. So I decided to go with a black background, but of course I have to do some glitter. So these glitters are from Michaels. They are the spin it ones. I do have them on my Amazon storefront as well. I'm pretty sure that the black holographic ones are amazing. They are so beautiful. Now, as always, I'm gonna get the main question is what's the bottle that I use to do the dotting, which is a lifesaver. It's a little tool, which is a bottle, it has like a little needle point on it. I add a looser white paint or whatever you want, kind of like color paint. I like it a little bit looser. Then I add a couple drops of water, mix it up really nice, and this tool just makes it really easy for you to add them on there. And as always, I share all the products that I use with you guys on my Amazon storefront. And again, there is a link in the description. All right, friends, so drop your questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. And if you have not subscribed, please do. And that's about it. I love you, friends. Happy Valentine's Day. Don't take this set too seriously. And I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned. I'll see you guys soon.